Alright, so here is an overview of all of the pieces completed, and as you can see, I already started putting some of this together now. And so I think what I'm going to do is rather than trying to videotape me assembling the whole thing, I'll assemble bits and pieces, and I'll just take some still photos, and hopefully I can get a slideshow together showing different stages of assembly. I think that might be the easiest way to do this. All right, let's get started. I got it all together, and hope you guys enjoyed that. I figured that was the best way to accomplish getting the assembly into a video, was just taking a bunch of stills and making a slideshow. So, alright, so let's get this going. Now, I did have it running before, and I did a little adjustment on the valve timing and everything. So let's get some air in here and get this going. Just slow it down a little bit. Okay, so we have the engine running. It's on like hardly any air pressure, and I kind of like running them slow. This way you get to see all the moving linkage and everything. You can really appreciate it. The flywheel has a little bit of a run out, on it, but let's see. But I'm not going to worry about that. All in all, I'm pretty happy how this came out. Alright, well, there you have it. Elmer's number 10 wooden Grasshopper engine. It was an interesting build. Not only metal, but we did some woodworking, and I'm pretty happy how it came out. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and well, we'll come up with something else to build pretty soon. So, until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.